9 warning signs that you're eating too much sugar. Do you reach for sweet treats throughout the day, craving that sugar rush to boost you? While indulging may be tempting, consuming too much sugar can negatively affect your health. In this video, we'll explore 9 warning signs that may indicate you're eating too much sugar, so you can make informed choices about your diet and take control of your health. 1. Irregular bowel movement. Recent research has suggested that excessive sugar intake can negatively affect the gut microbiome, leading to irregular bowel movements and other digestive issues. This is because sugar feeds harmful bacteria in the gut, leading to an overgrowth of these harmful bacteria and a decrease in the diversity of healthy bacteria. One study found that when mice were fed a high-sugar diet, they experienced a drop in their gut microbiome diversity within a week. This decrease in diversity was associated with an increase in the number of harmful bacteria and a reduction in the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. As a result, the mice experienced slower digestion and irregular bowel movements. Another study published in the journal Nutrition Research found that when healthy adults consumed a high-sugar diet for just 2 weeks, they experienced a decline in the number of beneficial bacteria in their gut. This reduction was associated with increased inflammation and other negative effects on gut health. 2. Hunger and weight gain. Research also has shown that consuming foods high in added sugars can lead to weight gain and other negative health outcomes. When we consume sugar, our bodies break it down into glucose, providing us with energy. However, unlike protein, fiber, and healthy fats, sugar is quickly digested and absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels rise quickly, the body releases insulin to help regulate them. Insulin helps move glucose out of the bloodstream and into cells, which can be used for energy. However, when we consume too much sugar, the body releases too much insulin, which can cause blood sugar levels to drop quickly. This drop in blood sugar can cause us to feel hungry again shortly after eating, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Moreover, foods high in added sugars are often low in fiber and protein, important nutrients that help us feel full and satisfied. When we eat foods that lack these nutrients, our bodies burn through the sugar quickly, leading to a spike in blood sugar levels followed by a crash. This can leave us hungry and unsatisfied, leading to mindless and compulsive snacking. 3. Decrease in the sweet taste of foods. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar can lead to a phenomenon called sweet adaptation. Sweet adaptation occurs when the taste buds become accustomed to high sweetness levels, making foods with less sugar taste less satisfying. Over time, our brains become trained to expect a high level of sweetness. As a result, we may need to add more sugar to foods to make them taste good. This can lead to a vicious cycle where we consume more and more sugar to feel satisfied and continue to crave sweet foods. Furthermore, high sugar consumption can also contribute to insulin resistance, which impairs the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. This can lead to further sweet cravings as the body tries to compensate for the lack of glucose uptake in the cells. To break the cycle of sweet adaptation and reduce sugar intake, gradually reducing sugar consumption over time is important. This can help the taste buds readjust to lower sweetness levels, making foods with less sugar taste more satisfying. Consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are naturally sweet, such as fruits, can also help satisfy sweet cravings without the negative effects of added sugars. 4. Wrinkled skin. Advanced glycation end products, AGEs, are formed when sugars react with proteins in the body, including those in the skin. A high-sugar diet can increase the formation of AGEs, which can cause damage to the structural proteins in the skin, such as collagen and elastin. Collagen and elastin provide the skin with elasticity and firmness, but when AGEs damage these proteins, the skin can become less supple and more prone to wrinkles and other signs of aging. Moreover, high blood sugar levels can also lead to inflammation in the body, further damaging the skin and accelerating aging. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. To maintain healthy and youthful-looking skin, Limiting your added sugars and consuming a diet rich in nutrients that support skin health, such as vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids, is important. A diet high in fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats can help support healthy skin and slow aging. 5. Brain fog. Consuming too much added sugar can lead to problems with mental clarity, focus, concentration, and memory due to its effects on blood glucose levels and inflammation in the brain. Glucose is the primary fuel source for the brain, but consuming excessive amounts of sugar can lead to hyperglycemia, or high blood glucose levels, which can harm the brain's cognitive function and mood. Research has shown that people with type 2 diabetes who have hyperglycemia may experience information processing speed, working memory, and attention impairments. This is because high blood glucose levels can cause inflammation in the brain, leading to cognitive impairment. 6. Cavities. The bacteria in our mouths thrive on simple sugars. When we consume a lot of added sugars, we feed these bacteria, which can increase cavities and gum disease. So, if your dentist finds more cavities or you have been diagnosed with gum disease, it could indicate that you consume too much added sugar. Although it is a good idea to cut back on added sugars, there may be times when you consume high-sugar foods. In such instances, it is recommended to swish water around your mouth after eating or consume foods that help protect the teeth, such as carrots or milk. These foods can provide a protective coating and minimize the risk of damaging your teeth and gums. 7. Joint pain. If you are experiencing joint pain, it may not always be due to aging alone. While age can contribute to joint pain, consuming too much sugar may also play a role. A survey published in the journal Arthritis Care and Research found that among the respondents who had rheumatoid arthritis, RA, and reported that food affected their symptoms, soda and desserts were the most commonly cited culprits. Research has shown that consuming sugar-sweetened soda regularly is associated with an increased risk of RA in some women, particularly those with late-onset RA. This could be because consuming too much sugar can lead to systemic inflammation, which may contribute to joint pain. Inflammation is a natural immune response that helps the body fight infections and heal injuries. However, chronic inflammation caused by an unhealthy diet, stress, and other lifestyle factors can lead to various health problems, including joint pain. Consuming too much sugar can trigger an inflammatory response in the body, leading to joint pain. Therefore, reducing sugar intake, especially sugar-sweetened beverages, may help alleviate joint pain, particularly in people with RA. 8. Bloating. While salty foods commonly cause bloating, consuming foods high in sugar can also contribute to a bloated stomach. However, once you take control of your sweet cravings and reduce your sugar intake, you may be able to say goodbye to the bloating. It is also essential to note that if you have a sensitivity to sugars like fructose, found in fruit, and lactose, found in dairy, consuming these foods may lead to bloating and other common symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. In such cases, reducing or eliminating these types of sugars from your diet may be beneficial to alleviate your symptoms. Consuming too much sugar can also contribute to the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut, leading to an imbalance in the gut microbiome, which can cause bloating, gas, and other digestive issues. To reduce bloating caused by sugar, a diet high in fiber, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is recommended. These foods can help keep you full and satisfied while reducing sugar cravings. 9. Increased blood pressure. Consuming sugar may be worse for your blood pressure than salt, as per a study published in the journal Open Heart. The study found that even a few weeks of consuming a high sucrose diet can increase systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This indicates that eating too much sugar can harm your cardiovascular health. Another study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that the risk of developing hypertension increased by 8% for every sugar-sweetened beverage consumed. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a significant risk factor for cardiovascular disease, stroke, and other health problems. Sugar may be more harmful than salt to blood pressure, because it can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are also risk factors for hypertension. Too much sugar can cause insulin resistance and affect the body's ability to regulate blood pressure, leading to increased blood pressure levels. In conclusion, eating too much sugar can negatively affect your health, but you can improve your overall well-being by being mindful of your sugar intake and making small changes to your diet. Try cutting back on sugary treats and incorporating more whole, nutrient-dense foods into your meals. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.